welcome back to our YouTube channel. Subscribe. Most random thank you the whole time. We in here.
Parents, congratulations for getting your young one through matric all the way here. Just remember, from now onwards, we are going to
You do not throw muslin away. So the muslin you use for the bouquet garni.
We're going to our first Met Gala. Yeah.
Okay, that's about 2 grams of this, and that will cure a kilo of bacon before culling.
We are 338 years old, so there is actually a lot of the forehead will be the Cabernet Sauvignon, Melon, Pinotage, and Shiraz. Then we have 2 whites, that will be Semillon and Sauvignon Blanc. And this particular rosé, if you look at the color, first of all, you see it's a very unusual color. It's not an everyday. We have 5 different wines in front of you, and we have rosé.
Our butter onto one of those, and then put a tea light under it, serve it to the guests, light it, and then their butter would start to melt, and then you would tear a piece of bread, dip it into the melted butter. Delicious, amazing, love the idea. It makes people
you can find some other things, like here we've got some Swiss chard that's been growing. Yeah, we have to.
I'm sure all of you have heard of Peshmerga before, and now you can understand where it comes from. So as soon as it dissipates, then you know the alcohol is burnt off completely. If you speed it up, you can swirl it.
Again, just keeping my knife on the bone the whole time. Now you can see those bones are beautifully exposed. Now there's a lot of fat on here, so we can rinse.
YouTube channel. Follow the YouTube channel. Alright, guys.
Subscribe.
Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Subscribe, like.